Hi there, let's take a look at your work submitted for the Chapter 3 mid-level. So I'm looking at the My IT Lab system, and on the screen I have displayed the results from your submission. In addition, I've already taken the time to go ahead and download the file that was submitted for your assignment so that we can work directly in that file and see what needs to be fixed. So the first step that lost a couple points was step number 2, where it says create this pie chart and move it to its own sheet named grades pie. And if I expand, you got most of the points. So if I expand this little arrow, I click on that arrow to see what exactly it didn't like. It didn't like here. It says the pie chart on the sheet grades pie, the sheet location was not set to grades pie. And so I'm going to flip to your Excel sheet. Let's see if I can get that up here. And it's the smallest thing, but you do not have a capital P for the word pie. That's what it doesn't like for that one. And we'll see that actually reoccur in other steps as well. You have to type whatever it tells you to type exactly as shown. So uppercase is uppercase, lowercase is lowercase, so on and so forth. All right, so if you fix that one, it'll give you the points back there. Let's go on down. Step 7. Select the grades worksheet, create a clustered bar chart. And here there's several points missing, all related to this bar chart. So let's go take a look. First things first, change the name of the sheet to be capital C for chart, bar chart. And then you have a clustered column chart, not a clustered bar chart. So when you're active on this one, you're going to have to say change chart type, and then choose bar at the left, and clustered bar is the first subtype, so choose that one, and then go ahead and click OK. Now, unfortunately, you're going to have to walk through all of this stuff again, because when you change the type of chart, then all of the other options get manipulated as well. So do that one thing, and then reapply all of these steps. Some of them may have stuck, but some of them haven't, and some of them also you have to double check. Like here, the title is Sample Student Test Scores. And if I go look at yours, it should be Sample Student Test Scores. You see the mistake there? So just go ahead and walk through all of those steps again and reapply them. All right, step 11. Select the range and move the scatter chart to its own sheet named scatter chart. I bet you already know what the problem is with this one. Yep, you guessed it. Capital C in the word chart will make that one correct. And then there was another point here, down here, step 13. Make sure the scatter chart is selected. Apply these settings to the vertical axis. And if I click the down arrow, sorry, my Labrador. If I click the down arrow and I see, well, what exactly didn't like, it says the vertical axis, the number category was not set to be number. So I want to show you how to fix this one. I'm going to select the vertical category, which is here. This is our vertical axis. I'm going to right click on the vertical axis. Oh, well, okay. And then select format, whatever format it says. Then go ahead and click make active. I'm going to try it again here, the vertical axis. When you make that chart element active, the panel, so you right click and choose format, that opens this panel on the right hand side. But then go back and make sure the axis is the one that's active, because for example, if I click on the title, notice it says format chart title. I have to be active on the vertical axis to get it to say format axis. Okay, once it says format axis, click this icon here, your axis options, choose the number category, and then under category, currently it says general, and it has to say number. You want the number category to be number, and that'll give you the points back for step 13. And I think that's your last one. The others look good. You did a really good job. Make those corrections, submit it back in, and fingers crossed you should be able to get 100%. You're doing great in the class. Email me if you have any questions.